Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the demon version of Nezuko from Demon Slayer on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to remove everything except for the one I did adjustments on. It's actually pretty simple to do in my opinion. You do need VIP for some of the things that I have on. So for the hair, let's do the adjustments first. Let's do the hair first. Go to feminine and use this one in half front, big flowers none, small flowers none, and color that black. Then for the outfit, you're just going to go here. It's actually a pretty simple outfit. Grab this one and I'm just going to color it this color, a little bit like darker, maybe this color, FFA4A4. And then I just did white and then white again, and I colored this. Oh my gosh, I don't remember. I colored it like red and white, or is it white and red? I think I did white and red, and then I did like this kind of greenish blue color, but just darker. Then I used this and this brown in like matte. I did make it a little bit darker, maybe like this color. And then that color again in matte, and then that color in matte. Then for the adjustments, you're going to grab the angel halo and you're going to color it red. I used this red. For the adjustments, Y.12, Z.66, rotate the X at 0.18 and scale it to 0.24. Then I use this hair bow in the second toggle in this color, FFC2C3. And these adjustments, X.45, Y.61, Z.43. Position the X at 0.30, Y.50, Z.22, and scale it to 0.01. Then for the teeth, I used the Style Showdown Crown in white. And then for this one, I used these adjustments. Position the X at 0.5, the Y at 0.26, Z 0.43, rotate to 0.41 and scale it to 0. Then for the horn, I used this one and I colored it white in these adjustments. Position X at 0.48, Y 0.44, Z 0.52, rotate it at 0.52, Y 0.79 and scale it to 0.47. Then for the eyes, I used the pearl earrings in FF6BB5, this one, in neon. And then I just made it super small. And then you're just going to save your outfit. And then you're going to wear it again. So I already saved my outfit. And then I'm going to scale it down again. And I'm just going to adjust it so it's like here, and then I'm going to scale it up because it does make it smaller. If you don't do that, the pupils will be weird, like that. And then I just added these three things for like the bloody effect. I just colored it red in foil, except for the bow. So here it's like red, and then wait, why is it still pink, this one? Whoops. So it's red in all foil. And then this one too, which is this one in VIP. I use this one and then this one as well in red and in foil. And that should be it. You can adjust the eyes a little bit more so they are actually not like here. So let me just adjust that a little bit. And I'm just going to adjust the horns a little bit too. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!